Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the function f is defined above, where f of x is equal to x plus 3 times x minus k. If k is a positive integer, which of the following could represent the graph of y is equal to f of x in the xy plane? So the first thing we need to notice is that there's a relationship between the factors of a function and the roots of its graph, the x-intercepts of its graph. So if you have a factor of x minus a, then the x-intercept a0 is on the graph. So in here we have x plus 3, which is x minus negative 3. So we would expect the point negative 3, 0 to be on the graph. Why is this the case? Well, if we have f of negative 3, this is equal to negative 3 plus 3 times negative 3 minus k, just plugging in negative 3 wherever we see x. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0, so 0 times negative 3 minus k. It doesn't matter what this is, anything times 0 is equal to 0, which is how we get that y value. So the point negative 3, 0 is on the graph. So negative 1, 2, 3 right here, negative 1, 2, 3 right here, negative 1, 2, 3 right here, and right here. So it's on the graphs of A and D, but not on B and C. So we're also told that k is a positive integer. So x minus k, the factor, is going to leave us with the point k0, where k is a positive number. So if we look at A and D, what is the other x-intercept? It's 2, 0 in both of them. So that doesn't help us. In both of those cases, k, or 2, is positive. And the only difference between them is that A is opening downwards and D is opening upwards. And that comes down to the coefficient of the function. So if this was we have just rewriting it down here, we have f of x is equal to x plus 3 times x minus k. So the coefficient on this function is a 1, right? It's just unwritten. If it was a negative 1, or any negative number, then it would open downwards. But since it's a positive number, it opens upwards, right? You can think of this as the difference between the graph of x squared, looks like this, the graph of negative x squared looks like this. We have a positive coefficient, so it's like x squared, it's opening upwards, and D is going to be our final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.